Hello. How are you doing today? Oh, it's a big dog.
I'm sorry.
It's all right. Do you mind just?
I'm sorry.
Can
I'm waiting for a tow truck.
Okay. Do you mind stepping out but leaving the dogs inside?
Yeah.
You're not in any trouble, but I'd just like to talk to
There's
you.
3 of them. Hold on a second. It's really hard to get out without them trying to run out.
Okay.
Because the cat, they like see cats around here.
Yeah.
If I open the door, they'll run out. I was just stopping for a second.
Okay. Like I said, do you mind just stepping out of your car for me?
Yeah. I will.
Okay. Easy enough.
What?
Just step out of the car. The dogs will be fine. I don't know why you're crying. I don't know what's going on.
My sister.
Okay, step out of the car. We're not gonna have this conversation with you peeking in and out of this car. Close the door for the dogs. Close the door for the dogs. There we go. How are you doing today?
Horrible.
Okay. What's going on?
My dad died and my twin sister made me homeless and my mom.
Okay.
And like they put a restraining order on me and I don't know like
Okay. How long ago was that?
like a year ago.
Okay, so hold on. Stop crying. Okay. I don't know why you're crying off of this.
This car
Okay,
probably
okay.
I don't even know I can't get mail.
Okay.
And you guys are gonna put me down. I don't even know
Why?
Restraining order.
Stop.
Did she say that I am big older?
No. Stop all this. Let's talk back here, ma'am. Let's talk back here. I'm not gonna have this conversation with your dogs. I'm just curious about your car. You can just
My boyfriend.
stay right there. Okay.
My ex-boyfriend.
What about your ex-boyfriend?
Huh?
What about your ex-boyfriend?
He did that.
He did what?
Broke my windows.
Okay. How did that happen?
He smashed them.
With what?
Baseball bat.
How long ago was that?
Like a week.
Okay.
A couple days ago. This is violating the restraining order.
Okay. You're on summary probation or formal? Are you checking in with someone?
No.
So then you're just on summary probation. Nobody gets violated on summary probation. So take a deep breath. My partner's going to ask for your information, and then we'll go from there just to make sure that you're not on actual formal. 9841 13. Please stand by. Claudia, right? Turn around for me. Relax! Hey!
Get away!
No! Don't do it!
Hey, stop!
Back up. 9841, can I get it back up? No! Don't do it!
Hey, stop!
Back up. 9841, can I get it back up? Turn down, you're over. Grab it. 9841. We're in pursuit of 451 with the gun, southbound Woodman from Hart.
9841, we're in pursuit of 451 with the gun. Southbound
Woodman from Hart.
Hart.
Requesting backup action supervisor.
Advice primary unit will be taking over broadcast already southbound Woodman, approaching Van Owen. Clear the app with the pursuit.
Traffic.
730 with the pursuit. 95 is going to the parking lot, northwest corner, Burbank and Woodman. And looks like we'll be continuing westbound Burbank from Woodman.
Students are continuing westbound Burbank, approaching Hazeltine at 40 miles per hour.
Clear right.
Students are continuing westbound Burbank, approaching Sepulveda.
Traffic.
95
Clear
will
right.
be going southbound Sepulveda from Burbank. Or be Ventura going westbound from Sepulveda. 95 advised West Valley will be in their division. 985 will be westbound Ventura through Havenhurst.
Clear right.
Students are continuing westbound Ventura through Havenhurst.
Southbound Reseda from Ventura. We're going to be westbound Tarzana Drive from Mecca. Northbound Amigo Avenue from Tarzana Drive.
Students are northbound Amigo from Tarzana Drive.
Gotcha.
You guys going to be going into a dead end. Let's make sure we leave one unit. Last unit, grab that end of the street, set up some spike strips just in case this first person makes a U-turn. Remember, 415 woman with the handgun. We're at a dead end. Guys, give us some room.
Let me see your hands!
Units are approaching the dead end. The last unit.
Let me see your hands!
Drop strike shift in case you make the U-turn.
Hey, Ventura, hopping the curb. They're going to be on Bellow Street. Hopping the curb, comes around the unit, back out towards Wells.
Just again, top.
Back out towards Amigo, now southbound Amigo.
Just across the curb. And is back out southbound Amigo for Wrigley.
Okay, guys, make that next left turn. Left turn. Okay, back northbound on Mecca.
Clear right.
Northbound on Mecca.
Traffic.
Looks
Clear
like
right.
westbound Ventura. Still westbound on Ventura. Approaching Corbin.
Units are continuing westbound Ventura approaching Corbin.
Traffic.
Correction. Still on Ventura westbound. Coming up on
Clear
Winnetka.
right.
Looks like we're going to be making a southbound turn on Winnetka.
Delete a drive.
Okay, now southbound Del Marino.
Clear right.
Stand by for direction. Westbound Wells Drive. Hey, Topanga. Incident commander have a Topanga unit here doing some spike strips. Westbound command. Southbound turn. Looks like it might be a dead end there. Looks like Escobedo Drive. Hey guys, gonna be a dead end street. Looks like possibly a Fargo. Last unit in that pursuit, just hold your spot. It might lead you westbound. Might have this quicker way.
Get out of the car!
Hold that
Turn
spot.
off the car! Turn off the car!
It looks like they're doing
Stop the car now! Stop!
like third here.
There's nowhere else! Stop the fucking car!
Continue hold the frequency.
Hey, drop the gun! Drop her gun! Hey, she's got the gun to her mouth! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Delta stable here.
Drop the gun!
bus is to pull there, or if it's commanded to want to come up with the group. I just want the last shop, last patrol officer.
You're gonna be okay. We can talk about it, Claudia. We can talk about it. Let's just talk about it, Claudia, please.
Completely turned around.
You and me, we can just talk about it. There's no reason. There's no reason to finish this way, Claudia. Claudia,
I'm making my way up.
let's just talk. Me and you, you'll be okay, Claudia. You'll be all right.
All units responding to information. The pursuit location is Morrow and Albemarle. Morrow and Albemarle. For the CP. Yes, we have 2 outside units and we have 2 additional code 2 calls that are timed out about to be assigned outside. One in RD 974 and one in 926.
Go ahead and cancel one of the outside units and number in my site.
9889 instead handle the family dispute on Willis in RD 974.
Roger. Go ahead, put in my site. Thank you.
Roger.
Yeah, I'm good. Hey! Claudia, stop! Stop, Claudia! Claudia, drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun! Claudia, drop the gun, please, so we can help you out. Claudia, just drop the gun. All right. Claudia, drop the gun, please, so we can help you out. Watch the game. Interesting.